Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Like its bigger brother, this is a fully licensed kids VW Beetle push-along ride-on car that allows those too young to control a fully electric car to have as much fun and using their own energy. The attention to detail is just incredible, and with its ease of access, this is sure to be their go-to ride-along for a while. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. Padded leather style seats. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.